and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating aquamarine into your daily life and your crystal practice. And this is the stone of courage and letting go. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be talking about aquamarine. And this is particularly helpful if you are born in the month of March and it's your birthstone. But this is the stone of courage and letting go. So aquamarine is a seafoam blue-green gemstone. And this is a gemstone that can be heat treated. So if you're buying aquamarine, just to let you know that if you find pieces that are really blue, that have no traces of green in them at all, then it could be heat treated, because heat treating aquamarine removes the greenish tint out of this gemstone. Now, are there naturally blue aquamarine? Yes, there are. However, if you find one, especially if it's tumbled and it's really blue, then you might want to do a little bit more checking and ask the seller if it's an untreated gemstone. But normally, aquamarine has a little bit of green. It's a blue-green gemstone. If after this video you feel like aquamarine is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then I do have aquamarine pendants available in my online crystal healing store, and the link to that is below. And if you do enjoy my crystal and gemstone videos, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. Today we're talking about aquamarine. The first benefit of working with aquamarine is courage. Aquamarine and bloodstone are two stones that really help give you a boost of courage when you need it. It helps you stand steady and strong in the face of chaos, and it helps you with all types of situations that you may need courage with, whether it's facing a fear, doing something new, making a change in your life, making contact with that person that you're interested in. Any situation in which you feel like you need that little extra boost of bravery, then aquamarine is a really excellent gemstone for incorporating more courage and bravery. It helps reduce, fear and anxiety that is related to some of these life situations that just, rack our nerves. And aquamarine, like the cooling waters that it's named after, will help release that for us and help stand on our 2 steady feet as we face those fears. And the second benefit of aquamarine is that it gives you the courage to let things go. If there's something in your life that you know is no longer supporting you, it's no longer serving you, it's holding you back and you have to let it go, then this is aquamarine's really special, unique ability, the stone of letting go. It helps you release attachment. It gives you the courage that you need to set that thing down and put it out of your life. And this could be anything. And often when we're holding on to something that we don't want to let go of, it blocks our progress in life, our personal progress, our goals, our spiritual development. And if you kind of feel stuck in your life, like you're not getting to that next step that you want to, then sitting with aquamarine to see if something is standing in your way that's no longer supporting you, that you need to let go, aquamarine is an excellent stone for this. And this could be relationships, a job, a course of study, habits, really deep-rooted beliefs, fears. There's all these things that we could be attached to and not ready to let go of. And aquamarine helps us send that out to the universe and free our path from it. And the third benefit of working with aquamarine is that it helps us with our own authenticity. It helps us discover our true and unique individuality, and it helps us own that and really want to be that. And it helps us set aside those expectations that social media and peer pressure or family pressure put on our lives, and gives us the courage, we're coming back to courage, to just be ourselves and do what we want to do and pursue our own passions and be the person that we want to be. Aquamarine is incredibly supportive, and it helps you have those difficult conversations if you need to express your honest opinion about something, if you want to share something about yourself that you've been hesitant to. Aquamarine gives us that courage. It's incredibly supportive of giving us that strength to be ourselves. And then the fourth benefit of aquamarine is that it provides safety near water. This is a stone that's really protective of those who are around water. So if you're going to be traveling by water, if you're going to be on a boat, or if you're going on a cruise and it's making you a little nervous, then bring some aquamarine with you. If you're going to be doing water-based activities like swimming, surfing, kayaking, fishing, then aquamarine is very supportive of that as well. Now, it might be a little awkward to swim with aquamarine. You might want to get a bracelet rather than a pendant, or even earrings, aquamarine, because that gives you some strength and courage around water. If being around water makes you nervous, then aquamarine will support you and give you that extra bit of courage, especially if you're learning to swim, you're learning to surf, you're learning a water-based activity, then aquamarine will definitely help you. So aquamarine, it is an absolutely essential stone if you need to release something in your life that's holding you back. And that can be a very scary situation in life. Leaving a relationship, a long-term relationship, a long-term job, setting aside some belief that you have that you know no longer fits you anymore. That can be scary. And aquamarine, it gives you that courage, it gives you that support to just let those things go. So thank you so much today for joining me to talk about aquamarine, the stone of courage and letting go. And if you feel like aquamarine is a gemstone that you'd like to work with more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I will be posting a guided meditation designed specifically for aquamarine. And you don't need a piece of aquamarine to benefit from the meditation, because you can picture it in your mind. But if anything in this video or during the meditation really stands out to you, it feels really familiar, or it triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some aquamarine and work with it some more to see how it can help you in your everyday life. And if you're new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these informational videos about the supportive and healing benefits of that gemstone. And on Saturdays, I post the guided meditation. So if you are interested in learning about a wide variety of gemstones and how they can support you in your daily life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any gemstone healing videos. Thank you, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation on Saturday.